Alright, we got a catch going on. Sounds like a little hawk. Nice size one, honey. You want one of these chains? So you want this?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Let go, good girl. Jada! Let go! Jada! Good girl, let go. No! Let go. Jada! She's getting off. Jada!
Get off.
No, Jada.
Get off.
No, don't do that. Jada! Quit!
Here, take one of these. Get.
Here, this one. Come on, Jada.
Get. 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 Grab the lurcher, honey.
Patty.
Yes.
Patty, good boy.
Honey, I need to toss this hog. Get. And just here, take this camera. Let me toss this hog.
That was exciting.
You done kicked me.
You want the bulldog loose?
You want to kill her or you want to catch her?
I just let her go. For Patty? You let Patty go?
Want her?
Here, take the camera.
You want to let her go or you want to... I don't even know if it's a boar. What? No. Good for these young kids.
Yeah, this is for kids.
Yeah, there was more than one hog. There was more than one hog.
Oh, I sounded like that.
She's backed in here to the corner. Here she goes. right there. It's gonna turn on you because it's in a fucking peculiar spot. It's a big dog, honey. It kicked me off. Yeah, it's in a fucked up spot. I can't really get in there to fucking.
Get him, Sugar. Get him, Sugar.
Well, I got it. You want to let the bulldog and Preacher go and catch it and just kill it?
Catch him.
Get him, Sugar. Get him, Sugar. What, honey?
Kind of turning his ass.